Hey guys, welcome back. So today I want to show you how to make these adorable cards, and I'm working on Valentine's Day cards, and these are called Dutch fold, but it's also gate. So Dutch gatefold card. I always call them like fun fold cards, but it goes up and then sideways. So this is the part that makes it the gatefold. And then it goes down, and then the back just made it simple. And what I like about this is that it also stands. So it looks like that. Then I also made this one. Let me just put this one down. I also made this one. And this one I used, well, both cards I've used, what's it called? This paper pad from Michael's, Love and Devotion. So those are the papers that I used. And I cut out the heart because it comes in that paper pad. And I put a doily on top. And that's also a die. And then when it closes, it looks like that in the back. And this is like my favorite die. I have a video also showing a card just with that die alone. So I'll post that in the link. And of course, my favorite bow. So when the person gets it, they just open their card and it stands. And I think it came out super cute, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to make. Okay, so let's just put these down. Put these down. Okay, so you're going to need a piece of paper that measures 10 and 11 inches. Okay, and I already cut this one, so we're going to score it together. So on the 10-inch side, you're going to score it at 2.5 and at 7.5. On the 11-inch side, you're going to score it at, on the 11-inch side, you're going to score it at 7 inches. And then at 3.5, but up to the first score mark. So 3.5 up to the first score mark. So up to that one. Then you're gonna flip it, and we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. 3.5 up to the first score mark. So you see, you're only scoring there and here, because that's what's gonna create that fold. Okay, so now let me show you the pieces that you need to cut. So once you fold all your sides, what you want to cut is this piece right here and this piece right here. So I'm just going to do a quick cut. So you go score, you're cutting at the score line. So there. Okay, that folds in. And here. So these are the sections that you're cutting, which was the 3.5 score mark. And here creates that piece right there. So now this long piece, you want to cut the whole thing off. Okay, so let's cut that off. And obviously I'm just cutting it fast just because I don't want the video to be long. But I will take my time cutting that piece off because you want it nice and straight. And you cut this piece off. And then it folds down. And that's basically it, guys. That's your card base. See? So when you open it, looks like that. See? It's super easy. Guys, give it a try. Now, if you want the measurements for the inside, again, it's totally up to you how much border you want. But what I did, the mat was 4 3/4 and 6 3/4. So this piece right here, okay? If you want the sizes for the inside, again, totally up to you guys. But I did 2 1/4 and 3 1/4 for all 4 pieces. But that's if you want to decorate that piece. This piece on top is 4 3/4 by 6 3/4. And don't worry, I'm going to put all the measurements in the description bar. But that's it, guys. That is your base card. And that makes this beautiful gatefold card, which opens like that. And I think they came out super, super cute. So I hope you guys like it. Give it a try. And start creating your Valentine's Day cards. Okay, guys. Bye.